Okay, hey everybody, Terry Brown here, and thanks for stopping by to check out this video. And as you can see, I've entitled this video, Awareness, the First Step in Personal Transformation. And I do want to say this at the outset, okay? Sometimes I give steps to things, to personal, related to personal growth and development. But I do know that there's really no actual steps or there's not a formula for personal growth and development, personal transformation, okay? But there are principles and concepts that you can grab hold of. And sometimes I use steps to just introduce a particular concept or principle, okay? But there's no ABC 1, 2, 3 formula for personal growth and development, okay? But there are concepts and principles that you can grab hold of. And sometimes I say the first step or the second step, etc. But I want to emphasize that there's not a formula, okay? Actual formula for growing personally. You just grab hold of concepts and principles. You install thoughts into your subconscious thinking, and you move your life forward, okay? So with that being said, I talked about how transformation begins in my video entitled Personal Transformation of Seekers of More, okay? And what I'll do, I'll put a link to that video in the description area of this video in case you didn't see that, in case you might want to see that video. And I try to keep all of these videos as short as possible, okay? And these are thoughts from my the book I am writing or my course. I haven't decided even as of yet whether it's going to be a book or a course, but it might be a course and a book, okay, or a guide, something like that, okay? But true transformation isn't just about wanting change, and that was one of the things we brought out in the Personal Transformation of Seekers of More, okay? True transformation isn't just about wanting change. It's about taking deliberate steps, okay, toward becoming the person you are meant to be. And that's something to pause and think about. Becoming the person you are meant to be, okay? Now, transformation begins the moment you decide that the life you are living is no longer enough, that you are ready for change. And in your heart of hearts, you have to know that you are ready for change, okay? Now, before any transformation can take place, there must be awareness. And awareness is the first step and is a conscious recognition that something in your life needs to shift or to change, okay? Now, without awareness, okay, we can't change because you can't fix what you don't acknowledge, okay? Awareness begins with self-reflection. Oh my, okay? It is important to have an honest and sometimes uncomfortable assessment of where we currently stand in our lives. Okay, where are we right now? What's happening? What are we going through? Is it good stuff? Is it not so good stuff? We've got to be honest with where we are, okay? And this means recognizing the patterns, the habits, and mindsets that may be holding you back, may be holding me back. I've got to check myself, okay? You've got to check where you are and be honest, okay? It's about paying attention to the thoughts that run through your mind, the emotions that consistently arise, and the behaviors that keep you stuck in the same cycles. Okay? And remember, we've got to be honest with ourselves. And we've got to be ready to make a quality decision. So make a quality decision today that if you sense the need for personal transformation, for personal growth, for change, okay, make the decision today that you are going to begin to take steps toward doing so. And I've given you a place where you can start. Again, it's not the only place where you can start, but it is a good place to start. And that's to start with awareness. Okay? I'm Terry Brown. I'm wishing you a blessed and amazing day today. And before I actually leave, let me do this. Okay? Okay, I just wanted to say this. Be sure to check in the description area of this video. There's going to be some information there. Okay? Home-based business. Some thoughts, okay? So check things out, and hope to see you very soon, all right? You be blessed. Bye-bye now.